Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the photography and videography world right now, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Canon may be on the brink of shaking up the mirrorless camera industry once again, and the leaks surrounding this upcoming release suggest that it won't just be a small update, it could be a complete redefinition of what creators expect from a professional full-frame mirrorless camera in 2025. For years, Canon has been in fierce competition with Sony, Nikon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm, each brand pushing the boundaries of innovation. But if the rumors and insider reports prove to be true, the R5 Mark III could become the ultimate hybrid camera, a body designed to satisfy both professional photographers and serious filmmakers. Let's break down everything we know so far, the leaks that are setting the internet on fire, and what this release might mean for the future of mirrorless technology. A brand new sensor for higher resolution and better performance. The original Canon R5 and R5 Mark II used a 20MP and then a 24.2MP full-frame sensor, balancing speed with low-light performance. But according to multiple reliable leaks, the EOS R5 Mark III will break past that threshold with a newly designed 30-32MP full-frame sensor. This is significant because it positions the R5 Mark III closer to the Canon EOS R5, which is a favorite among high-resolution shooters. However, unlike the R5, the R6 line has always been optimized for speed, versatility, and low-light power. If Canon can maintain its famous dynamic range and ISO performance while adding more megapixels, the R5 Mark III could be the sweet spot for hybrid creators who need both high-resolution stills and cinema-grade video. More megapixels mean sharper images, better cropping flexibility, and more detail for landscape, portrait, wildlife, and commercial photography. But at the same time, Canon seems determined to avoid the overheating issues that plagued earlier models when pushing resolution and frame rates to the limit. Dual processors or a brand new imaging engine. Another rumor that has gained traction is Canon's move toward either dual DIGIC X processors or an entirely new image processing chip built to handle the demands of AI-powered autofocus, 6K video, and 40 frames per second burst shooting. What does this mean in real-world usage? Faster startup and overall responsiveness, smoother buffer clearing when shooting long bursts of raw images, better heat management, especially in 6K RAW recording, improved color science, noise reduction, and tonal accuracy. Essentially, Canon is looking to provide a seamless shooting experience where the camera doesn't get in the way of your creativity. This upgrade could be crucial for professionals who demand reliability in high-pressure environments like weddings, sporting events, and film production. Autofocus that thinks ahead. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is already regarded as one of the most advanced autofocus systems in the world. But the leaks suggest that Canon is preparing to take it to the next level by implementing AI-powered subject recognition and predictive tracking. Instead of just locking onto a subject's face, eye, or body, the new AF system may be smart enough to anticipate subject movement. Imagine photographing a football player sprinting across the field. A bird darting between branches. A bride walking down the aisle with shifting light and movement. The camera would not only track but predict where your subject will move next, ensuring your shot stays sharp. This kind of real-time adaptive autofocus could be one of the biggest breakthroughs in professional photography gear this year. Blazing fast burst shooting. 40 FPS. Canon is rumored to push the electronic shutter speed to a stunning 40 frames per second, doubling what most professional cameras offer. That's beyond sports photography, it's a cinematic frame rate for still images. At the speed, photographers could capture micro-expressions, split-second wildlife behavior, or every frame of a dancer in motion. It means fewer missed moments. Something every professional and enthusiast dreams of. A game-changer for filmmakers, 6K RAW and beyond. One of the biggest complaints about the earlier R6 was overheating in video mode. But according to insider leaks, Canon has been working hard to resolve this with the R5 Mark III. Expected video features include 6K RAW external recording via HDMI, oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second and possibly 120 frames per second for slow motion, improved thermal design for longer record times. Cinema-grade image quality straight out of camera. For filmmakers, this is massive. It means Canon could deliver a true hybrid mirrorless camera that rivals dedicated cinema gear without the overheating issues that forced professionals to seek alternatives. Superior EVF and LCD upgrades. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to be upgraded to a 5.76M OLED panel, possibly higher, offering clearer, sharper, and more responsive performance. The fully articulated LCD touchscreen may also see a bump to 2.1M dots, making it easier to confirm focus, preview footage, and navigate menus with precision. This upgrade is vital for hybrid shooters who frequently switch between stills and video. A smoother, lag-free EVF means a more immersive shooting experience, especially in fast-paced environments. Image stabilization, up to 8 stops. Canon is reportedly pushing its in-body image stabilization system to deliver up to 8 stops of correction. This means handheld shooting at 1-second shutter speeds could produce tack-sharp results. For low-light photographers, wedding shooters, and handheld filmmakers, this could be a game-changer, reducing reliance on gimbals and tripods. Build quality, ergonomics, and connectivity. The R6 Mark III is expected to keep the rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, but Canon may refine the ergonomics with better button placement, more comfortable grip design, improved balance with heavier RF lenses. Connectivity upgrades are also rumored. Dual card slots supporting CFexpress Type B and UHS 2 SD, faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Robust FTP tethering for professional workflows, instant sharing and live streaming capabilities for content creators. This could make the R6 Mark III one of the most connected mirrorless cameras on the market, ideal for both studio professionals and social media creators. Release date and pricing. Early rumors suggested a May 2025 release, but the latest intel points to August 2025, where Canon is expected to host a major product event. Alongside the R6 Mark III, the Canon EOS R7 Mark May 2nd also be revealed, making it one of Canon's biggest announcements in years. As for pricing, the R6 Mark II launched at $2,499. With the expected upgrades, the R6 Mark May 3rd land between $2,499 and $2,699. While it's a premium investment, the balance of cutting-edge autofocus, 6K video recording, advanced stabilization, and durability could make it one of the most valuable mirrorless cameras on the market, especially compared to Sony A7 IV, Nikon Z6 II, and Panasonic S5 2.Y. The R6 Mark III could be Canon's most important camera yet. The Canon R6 Mark III is shaping up to be more than just an update, it's a statement of intent. Canon isn't simply iterating, they're showing the market that they want to lead the mirrorless revolution. If Canon delivers on these promises, the EOS R6 Mark III could be remembered as one of the most impactful releases of the decade, a camera that blends resolution, speed, connectivity, and video excellence into one body. Final thoughts as we await the official announcement in August 2025, one thing is clear, Canon is preparing to redefine expectations. From 40 frames per second burst shooting and AI autofocus to 6K raw video and 8 stops of stabilization, the R6 Mark III could become the flagship hybrid camera for photographers, videographers, and content creators alike.